Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again at the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things that's good and great amongst us. He wants me to try to do a live stream tonight, so that we could have some discussion and things like that. Probably get into phone call, you know, the thing, and them look away there too, but look like it not out for happen. So I'm going to postpone it till we get more professional consultation on the issue, because I don't want to download no corrupt program to get it going. Then again, we might not need any, you get me? But no, man, we'll do it one of them days soon. We'll do it. You know, see? So, but away, bro, God, get ready with a whole heap of distraction or go on off late here. You know? Can you imagine the amount of things we are swing under the curtain privately? Backdoor deal. None of we don't know. Now I get for sick cars. We might get caught up from way back when we push out Richie Stevens and make the world know say him is a predator. From them time there's like the whole internet distracted from paying attention to our bro God and them friend them and go on with. Secretly the man them bring in the NIDS where everybody did vote against and stamp out from a long time. You know, see, boy, them opportunity are them wait pan and prone pan. See, so get the people who are asking us to be wise and beware. You know, see, one of the things them who want to look into in particular is how, you see, how Kevin O. Smith and certain Ngster, you know, run a line. See, because when you look upon it, you know, see, the man, most man are bad, you know, bad for get rich. See? And, you know, at least for alleviate certain pressure of himself and family financially, whichever way, whichever way, you know, see, if you lift certain pressure. You know, see, so, soon as the man they find himself in a certain position, more than likely want to change him ways. Usually, a whole heap of time they have connection still to the grassroots, to the groundation. But usually it's not them first point of interest for go jump off in that and get busy like that. You know, see, the more want to get corporate and things like that. You know, see, so when we look and we say, a man, you know, get some opportunity, go abroad, hustle, scam, whatever, however I'm doing thing. Seeing and make some money and gone back in at the ghetto, gone inspire worse poverty, degradation, crime and violence and them thing there is like, you have to draw back and look. See? You wonder what kind of done them there. You see it, and the youth them have to observe that too. See? More time a man eat. They hide them, you know, and just want to say hide them destroy themselves for some reason and that. You know, see, probably get bullied by rude boy or whatever, and him just decide to never get for turn police, him just decide to more get rid of as much as him can as possible. You know, see, because it's unfair to see a man buy so much, you know, weapon of mass destruction, weapon of evil, and get the youth them, and him can't help one of them youth there to elevate themselves. Him not encourage them to elevate themselves or better themselves, even for reach to a standard that's close to his. You see, you them left on them own and to them own device. Most a guy will do is walk around and try to pick up some offering for bury a youth when a youth dead. You know, see it. You them have to watch them type of man that will get the opportunity them to go better themselves and come back in and get amongst them. Come and try bring them down or try buy down ship. You know see, enough of them was bad man from the day them born till the day them left Jamaica. Them come a foreign, come abroad or whatever and work out them soul case to buy back that, you know, level of attention. You see, by that respect. See, not considering so well then the money I got done. You see, and when the money done, the respect I got done too. You see, it's a backwards way of thinking. You see, and to be true and to be frank, none of the youth them will take the offerings from that entity there. Not really respect him to the degree they have, a life form, a human being, sensibly. Because at the end of the day, them know say that brother you're an idiot. Him go away and him making money and whatever, and they say you want to come back, come spend it and do this. Yeah, them are the first one to try and inspire you to come do it, because you're not going to take them carry them go on with you. And because you come out of it, no means that them come out of the poverty. You still is a source of, you still is an opportunity somewhat. See? So obviously nobody now chase the way them want to take it. I can't blame them. You know, see, but you know who could have or should have been the smarter head to devise a plan with lift them out of the poverty state of them in. Decide so you'll keep them in it and even kill off some of them too. You see, it reminds me of the psycho pastor Kevin Smith. You see, because what you know. You see, the depravity, the lack of opportunity, and things like that. A psychotic boy, just come back and use him narcissistic tendencies. You see, I remember what another one name. You see, schizophrenia. And them way there. See? And apply it on poor people in Jamaica. You see? Get them to believe in a certain things regardless of even the one them will believe. To me, in my book, them appear way far too stupid for really see them as anything else in a Rasta. Them gone too far over the stupid line for really look on them as maybe stupid or whatever. No, them they are just stunted stupid. You know see it? You know see it? For really get brainwashed like that by a man who claim to be divine. You know see it? Won't not get that from in them time. Yeah? God, he knows in a Rasta. You know see it? You know see it? So through the need for leadership and deliverance from the desperation and the destitution we are going in the society today, Rasta. Poor people just go lean upon anything and every and any entity where them see. You know see it? So this guy get access to get a people, Rasta, whereby him can charm them certain way. You see it? Knowing so well then, him sick enough to be that charismatic that him can influence people to do even sicker things than what him himself has done, would I do, and things like that. You see it? And people do it. See it? A guy take advantage again. But yeah, they don't even know of course him sick, him totally sick in my mind. See, it is a guy that will have some psychological issues and problems why he would want to inspire poor people to do them sort of things to themselves. See him like the guy them will go get rich and come back and buy up whatever rate it. See, and have the youth them push a certain agenda when him himself should have inspire a certain agenda. Because when a guy come a foreign, the foreign him come live and hustle up them with the money them have to stand calm and be quiet, abide by the rules and the regulation according to Babylon set it. You see it? So it's a total confusion and a hypocrisy, self-hate when the man them do that to them own self and the owner little get a youth them down there. Come and buy respect. You see it like you live abroad for so many years and nobody don't respect you. Because who you are gonna demand respect from? who you gonna expect to respect you? Not the Asian them, not the white people them. You know, see, we, no matter what you claim say you do, socially, you look down at as the lowest. You know, see, and then we now apply ourselves accordingly to try to change the status quo. You know, see, we are maintaining with our little action them and profile and not taking any responsible fee. Because yes, damage has been done, damage is done, but not that damaging that we cannot recognize where the wrong is and what to do to make it right. You know, see, so we can blame slavery, black oppression, inequality, and being sidelined, marginalized all we want. You see, the thing is, we know that them things exist, yeah? And these things that exist just for us, they exist for other people too. And so has been over centuries history. You know, see, and there have been designs. People organize, orchestrate designs whereby them can overcome the certain fallacy or what about mankind. You know, see, we have a bridge in the comment section named Ija Man will say slavery and black oppression is not a fault of white supremacy so much. You know, see, it is a fault of our own black leaders in Africa, back on the land, who maintain and entertain certain things. You know, see it like child slavery. You know, see the raw material, all of the raw material them using them weaponry and them building them architecture and things like that come mainly from Africa. You know, see, and we claim so we have black leader down there, we just ship them out free of cost. And when you're looking at Africa, you cannot see the benefit of all these mining, the mining of the wealth, of when you observe the value of the wealth, the meaning of the minerals to people and the value behind them. It's impossible to understand why Africa is in the state of poverty what it is in today. You know, see, granted, a whole lot of people jump up and say, Africa look good, yes, look good and rate, but not like the European and the Western country them where African resources build. Now we're close. You know, see, so this is the comparison. These are the contrasts where we try highlight and have, you know, navigate around them so that we can make a better deal. You know, see, but as long as we have leaders like them there in Africa who have black skin like we, who are the more bidding for other races than them would ever do for Africa itself. It's like when you look upon it, you can have to just accept, say, even from slavery come right up to now was orchestrated and is being maintained by our own black people them. We can't blame white people as much as we can blame our own people them who claim to them in power on the ground. You're in power, you have a mic, you have a platform. Talk what's holding you back. Talk what's blackmailing you. Talk what's sabotaging the process. Make we know something going on, but no, everybody just keeps silent, quiet, accepting, and subdued. So, I mean, you must do everything what you know if you do then. So step back now, back off. You haven't done anything. Look at the rest of the world. You know, see, look at the rest of the world. Step back. So I see the woman the other day from Africa, I can't remember which particular Ghana she come from, where she was a representative of the UN, and she come make a speech say black people across the world should not blame African leaders itself because African leaders have what you call it, barriers and bridges set up where them have to cross. Listen, who set them up where Europeans set up where them have to cross? You know, now the negotiation skills are tactics. You know, see, that's why you know, underrate and don't try incorporate the whole struggle. You know, see, because it's a system where some guys set for maintain. If you listen to, I've never listened to an African leader who talk with a strong African accent. You know, yes, I've listened to a few, I've heard a few, I'm not gonna lie. See, but most of them, for the majority of them, most of them talk with a clear, bright, precise European English. You know, see, them think them can't understand. You know, see it. You know, see it. So back to the cult pastor and the guy them with their foreigner buy, you know. It's just agent of destruction, them the Rasta. You know, see it. And people will love destruction and just want to see other people get hurt. So them feel satisfied. You have them sort of sick, twisted people there in the society. And some of them who have a buy gun and shot and a press no button. For God do no bidding for no. Who have madman. No for no they sit down on the sidewalk and say, Kevin Smith couldn't get me if you do the thing them want to do. We don't have man where buy gun and shot from foreign and send come go no. We are the worse than that. We are making the worse than what Kevin Smith have people I do. When a man send come buy some gunshot and them sort of thing, the rest down the touch road with it. And 2, 3 man dead, 4 man dead for the week, for the month, for the year, however. The Dan do more damage than Kevin Smith because him brainwashing and put them things down on the head for go do that. All I need is a pot, a food on the fire, a sight round the sun. You see it? Man can walk down there and go chop it and you walk go on with them contractor and no say pressure. You see it? Yeah, and that the youth them want. And the Dan want the blood and the man. Most of the man them were dead and the Dan have them up, and that them violate and that violation there. See it? So them little thing they were iron out and observe Rasta. See it? You can't blame Kevin Smith and have the Dan them down there. I live same like Kevin Smith I live. And I do the same thing them like what Kevin Smith I do. See it? Make no sense. Everybody I follow a cult. Everybody I follow this unbelievable cult trend and now realize it. Prepared and ready to do anything. See it? Anything in the name of what? Fame. I don't understand it. And I would never accept it. See it? So, adjustment need for make. Change need for make. See it? Don't blame the cult pastor if you not blame the Dan them where come back with them bag of money from foreign. We're gonna work hard for them money and I come back with no farmer development but by gun and shot and goon and say, yo, Dick Tom and Arif dead or however, right, if dead. Even the one them down there where claim so them send guy here to go get gun and shot and them one day. Here to give different thing and I just gun and shot alone them can get from 80 for the weed, No, they have a cash deal to man. At the agent of destruction and death, them they want to begin them thing they come go no pick them. See it? Yeah, man. You have a different deal where them can organize and work with. See it? Just like me, I say some guy just love corruption. Some guy just love, Some guy all of them life, nobody no pay them no attention, no woman no respect them nobody. So you find say them just jump on the bandwagon, Soon as they make a penny, rather than go on basic school, go buy some extra book in it. See, buy some life and lesson of Marcus Garvey and carry them go scatter up on the corner. Buy 2 goat, buy some pig, Rasta, some chicken, give some youth, make the youth them start angling business. Only political small business in Jamaica can start from really small and cheap and grow. Just even chicken, Rasta, chicken. See it? See it? Far less than a clip load of bullet can start a fall cup. See it? And set off a youth. Some lay in fowl, make him go and have some lay in fowl him and lay and him and sell him egg them. 1 tray of egg a day for that. See it? But we can't just sit one side and blame Kevin Smith. But Kevin Smith, a cult pastor. Where, baby. And Kevin Smith a mad sick man and somebody will need help and attention. Just like some man will come a Foriegn, come buy up whole heap of... we could talk about them work hard in the snow and rain first. See it? And use the money. But because I could have drugs them are selling them have to do it in a snow and rain. See it? And send the money come buy gun and shot for kill get a youth. And them can't kill nobody over here where I wrap them and a box them down and take with them things. Cause them never bad from morning. A Foriegn them come go on like them bad. And when I say box them down and take with them things, I mean you own Jamaica and a box them down and take with your thing. See it, you have man from all about where you do it. See it? So I them fight their way of for daily. And at them reality they we have to face. And we want the youth them know say, I'm out some mad boy, don't make them press no button and send it because a man must mad for come and Foriegn come. Rasta a man must mad. And not Kevin Smith alone stays so Rasta. We have a whole heap of them in our society. See it. And we just need to be aware of them. See it. So you don't know, we give thanks, Share, like and subscribe in a Rastafari here.